If the lordship permits it, because I have to mention for listing of a matter.
No, no,
Your lordship has passed,
no, cannot mention
Madam,
before this court.
but maybe rejected, but
No, cannot
my
mention. before this
lord
court.
has passed an order.
I cannot pass any order. I'll have to follow the
Already
roster.
disposed of on the matter and in that
No, no, I cannot take up.
of
I'll have to follow the roster.
That's clear.
Mm.
In this case, on other day, your lordship have heard this matter. It was video conference.
Oh, yes, yes.
That matter.
Nagaland.
Yes.
And then he want to submit something.
Yes.
That was Joseph, regarding ground of arrest, Joseph, because otherwise,
Ground of
Joseph, there is no scope of getting bail because Joseph, all the witnesses has implicated him, and some witnesses has also stated Joseph that while after doing that, committing that offense, Joseph, he also tried to hit them by his car, Lordship. So this is also there in the CD, Lordship. I have flag marked it, Lordship. So apart from ground of arrest, Lordship, there is.
This is before Pankaj Bansal or after Pankaj
After
Bansal?
Pankaj Bansal, this is recently, because
Recent
but
case.
even though Lordship, some arguments are there, Lordship, regarding the ground of arrest, Lordship. Because Lordship, when ground of arrest is তোমার কি খবর আছে? না, তুমি বলো, মোহাম্মদ সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম।
No, that he has submitted that day completely on the grounds of arrest and on the facts of the case he had submitted that day.
And also on
You
the
can
ground that,
conclude.
also on the ground that he is already in custody for 165 days to the charge sheet is submitted.
মোৰ হেৰি ৰেকৰ্ডটো লৈও আহিছিলো দিলে নে নাই জানো আৰ্গুমেণ্টৰ লগত লৈও আহিছিলো আৰ্গুমেণ্টটো লগতে লৈ আহিছিলো মোৰ তাতে আছে ফাইলটো তাতে কাৰোবাক খুজি নহয় নহয় এনেকুৱা এটা ফাইল লৈ আহিছো মই তাৰ গীটাৰ ইহঁতি জানিব পাৰিহঁতে Even then, I'll note it down. 165 days
Yes.
behind bars.
Yes. Charge sheet submitted, trial lordship is going on.
Trial, how many witnesses have been recorded?
Here lordship in the charge sheet it is
8.
10 witnesses cited.
I have the argument.
And just one thing I'm just placing also that other day, although I have submitted, but I could not place before your lordship that coloring photograph of his vehicle lordship that it will show that it was already broken from in the front side.
মানে ফোন ছেড়ে গেছে
How many witnesses are there?
In the charge sheet, 10 witnesses.
ফোন ছেড়ে করে মারবে গেছে
That,
What is this?
Yes, that lordship, it was taken in the police station itself. Immediately after the accident, he went to the police station and lodged an FIR lordship. It is not a case that he eloped or something else.
এটা এক্সিডেন্ট নাই এজা না পার্ট হইছে না সিডি পার্ট হইছে না এজা এখন সিডি পার্ট হইছে না
No, an extra as well.
সিডি পার্ট সিডি টেক করে নি
CCTV, yes, sir. That is different here.
নো স্যার না সিডি কিন্তু টেক করে নি
Yes.
কেন হবে
Fiber, sir. It is fiber.
ইয়াৰে একেটা কেছে কপি হয় এইটো অৰিজিনেল
এটি সার্চ দিও নাই না এটি এফ নাই না
But the main ground is that non-informing grounds of arrest at the time of arrest. So he went to the police station because that accident occurred and there was some other apprehension. So he went to the police station. But for what reason he was arrested, those grounds were not communicated to him. That is grounds of arrest. I like that page 25 and 26,
Yes.
that notices.
It is there in the I have noted it down.
Lordship.
First of all, also regarding the ground, regarding his long detention in the custody, judicial custody, Lordship, because Lordship, in that case, Lordship, there are sufficient evidences are there, sufficient witnesses are there who has stated Lordship that Lordship, this person has come out, stopped the vehicle, come out with a dao, and he assaulted the person, hit the person in his head. So 3, 4, more than 5, 6 witnesses are there, eyewitnesses are there, Lordship, who has directly seen, who has seen it, Lordship.
We have the CD, copy of the CD.
Lordship, there is Lordship. Scan copy has come, Lordship. And some witnesses has also stated, Lordship, that Lordship, he also tried to hit them by his vehicle, but somehow they escaped themselves. Somehow they saved themselves, Lordship. This is also their statement, Lordship. Why I am submitting this one, Lordship? Because, Lordship, and there is a probability of hampering and tampering evidences, as there is no evidences as on that. Evidence to Hane? Yeah. As there is no evidences has been recorded or
So who
Yes,
has
and that is
died here in this case?
one person, Lordship, that is.
One person, in fact, he is not relative of the informant. Lordship. There was a clash between petitioner and informant. The informant side, Lordship, that throw something in his vehicle, and because of that he could not see, and there's the person. He immediately went to the police station. The informant side, who are not relative, they lost the case. Because in the FIR, your Lordship will see that he mentioned as uncle. But in 161 statement, your Lordship will see that related uncle. That comes as well. Khan's statement was not recorded to show any enmity with the
Informant
deceased
is not
person.
related to deceased.
No. Even Khan's statement was not recorded. That my learned friend is saying that there is the chances of tampering with the evidences. How I will tamper? I do not know that deceased. It was purely an accident. I had enmity with the informant side. That is admitted. But with deceased, I have no enmity. No relative has been examined in the charge during investigation. Now, no one is there in the charge sheet as witness.
See, here at home, I have that file where he has given many judgments on grounds of arrest
Okay.
after Pankaj Bansal. So I'll go through everything and then I'll pass an order. That's not today.
In the meantime, I
After
can
3 days. Huh?
I can file one written arguments also. Yes.
I have that file. I have that arguments also.
Some
Judgments
points
also.
from Bihan Kumar also, Lordship. There are some points that are behind.
Okay, you want to file? Okay, you can file. In the meantime, give him a copy also.
Because, Lordship, one point I would like to point out, Lordship. In Bihan Kumar case, Lordship, there are para 31, Lordship. Lordship may kindly see. Para 31. Because there is a area where the Honorable Apex Court has not entered into, Lordship. Para 31 specifically, Lordship. I think Bihan Kumar was not. Kumar Singh entered there.
Dhyan
Right.
Kumar, I have home.
Yeah, Lordship, no, fine, Lordship.
I have it from Dhyan Kumar. I think he has submitted, I think. I have
Probably
it.
there will be a bunch of Bihan
Yes.
Kumar because everyone is
Everyone is always
submitting
submitting.
that. 31 para.
Okay.
The learned single judge unfortunately has equated information given regarding the appellant's arrest with the ground of arrest. Lordship got it?
Mm.
With the ground of arrest. The observation that the allegation of non-supply of the grounds of arrest made by the appellant is a bold allegation is completely uncalled for. All courts, including the High Court, have a duty to uphold fundamental rights. Once a violation of a fundamental right under Article 22 was alleged, it was the duty of the High Court to go into the said contention and decide in one way or the other. When a violation of Article 22(1) is alleged with the respect of ground of arrest, there can be possibly two contentions raised. First, that the arrested person was not informed of ground of arrest. This is not related with us. B, purported information of ground of arrest does not contain any ground of arrest. So this is the grounds they have taken by in all the cases nowadays taken. as far as the first contention is concerned, the person who is arrested can discharge his burden by simply alleging that ground of arrest were not informed to him. If such an allegation is made in the pleadings, the entire burden is on the arresting agency or the state to satisfy the court that effective compliance was made with the requirement of Article 22(1). Therefore, the view taken by the High Court is completely erroneous. So, Lordship, this is regarding the Honorable Apex Court has given his each opinion on the basis of the first, that the arrested person was not informed of the ground of arrest. But regarding the second part, which is now we are dealing with most of the time, what is the main contention? Now, regarding the second part, there is the Honorable Court is that it is a silence.
Silent.
It is completely silent. And if you go by the judgments of Bihan Kumar, it is here in this case, Lordship, that ground of arrest was not furnished to him. It was only stated in the CD from the CD summaries. There is a note probably
He
that.
was arrested and tied to the.
And that in the
Get-
hospital also he was tied in. That is separate ground. But Lordship, he was in this case, Lordship, there was no any ground of arrest was furnished to them. So Lordship, when there is a two contentions, the Honorable Court itself has observed that there may be two grounds. But Honorable Court has discussed the first part when there is no non-furnishing of any ground of arrest. That has been discussed, but the second part has not been discussed, Lordship. The second part, which may be related with our cases, that part was not discussed, Lordship.
Actually, Bihan Kumar judgment is that grounds of arrest, only that final part, no concluding part that.
That is the conclusions.
Additional
Paragraph
has,
paragraph 26, Lordship, may kindly. Paragraph 26.
this additional part from paragraph 2(3)
Yeah.
that has made it more stricter.
Yeah.
That addition,
Yeah.
which was not before me. In first two orders I have passed, it was not before me. It didn't come when we downloaded from the website of Supreme Court. It never used to come. But after 3-4 days, it started
Coming.
circulate. It got circulated. First 2-3 days, it was not being circulated.
Right.
So then I had rejected many bail applications. He's also one I have rejected on Bihan Kumar only.
Right.
But now this was included, so it became difficult. But here also, there we can make out ways to
No,
reject.
but that
But which
is
is not
clarified
done.
in paragraph 26. That's what I said, judgment.
26 yes.
That mere mentioning of case
Yes,
number,
yes.
place, that will not
Yes.
suffice.
And then this Prabhu
So
is
it
always
is
there.
there.
It is that conduct has to be the conduct also of other courts is included in Probate Custo under Article 141.
Lordship.
When in
What
fact, Lordship,
follow
that,
the Supreme Court direction.
yes, one of the judgment,
Lordship-
Lordship, that Karnataka High Court granted bail relying on Pankaj Bansal and Lordship, that Bihan Kumar, in a case which was occurred before Pankaj Bansal. So against that, state of Karnataka went to Supreme Court.
Yes, yes.
Asked for stay, but stay was not granted and it was fixed for hearing.
Yeah, it's
That
still
copy I am
pending.
having. Even in that case, stay was not granted. And oral observation was that.
I think many matters are
Yes, it is
fixed together for
fixed.
pending.
So there was no stay regarding that if it is taken as precedent. Only on that part I am taking your lordship. Paragraph 5, Lordship may kindly see. Mr. So learned senior counsel drew our attention to the fact that a large number of cases which are pending before the High Court where it is likely that the impugn order herein would be cited as precedent. So there is no stay. Only on that ground, in view of the urgency involved, release the matter on so. So stay was not granted,
Whether it is decided, not now, no?
not
yet.
decided. Even in fact, the other case is also pending. This matter was tagged along with that matter. In
Yeah, I
spite
know,
of that,
but
stay
matter
was.
is pending.
Yes.
Pankaj Bansal's matter is pending,
Yeah.
I know.
In light law that,
Prospective effect that matter is
Yeah.
pending, no?
those were there and prayer for stay was there. That was not granted.
I'll
My
keep
case
this
is
in
that
mind.
it is my case is covered by that Pankaj Bansal and Bihan Kumar's case. Lordship may consider my.
Yes, yes, I'll keep this in mind. I'll need some time because that file I have at home. I may bring it tomorrow. 2-3 days, only 2-3
Sure.
days, not many days.
In the meantime, I will submit it now.
Okay.
Only just one paragraph I am showing to your lordship. Page 5, last 4 lines, lordship may kindly see. I am not reading out
Which one?
of my petition, lordship.
Page 5?
Yes.
Last 4 lines.
Last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 6 lines that after after those sections, Lordship, as the petitioner is in custody, that line, Lordship, may consider. That in my petition, Lordship, page 5.
Okay.
Nowadays, Lordship, one problem is there, Lordship. Nowadays, we are facing, Lordship. Calling for scan copy, it is very difficult for us to go into the go through the scan copy, because sometimes here also in this case also all the IO notes are not same. They use what they used to do in the code below. There may be some instruction may be given to them, and they used to do what they 161 statements, some notices part. They used to send it, but the IO notes. The entire IO notes and all those they never send, Lordship. For this is for
Okay, okay.
this is the difficulty for us to go into
Yes,
the
yes.
actual.
In
Some-
TV, we get the IO notes.
And the IO notes helps us in many cases.
Case diary probably will be in the with the PP, Lordship, public prosecutor. Not in the custody of the court. In court custody,
no,
the statement
It's
should be there.
exact copy. It's exact copy. It's exact copy. Whatever the court gets,
Okay.
court gets a copy.
Yes.
So it's the copy of the what is with the PP. Exact
Yeah, in
copy.
this case also, the IO note is from three after 2 days of his arrest, not from the very beginning, first day of, or from the date of lodging the SIR, Lordship. It is not there, Lordship. So nowadays it is very much, in most of the cases we are facing this problem. So there may be some strict direction may be sent so that they can send the entire case record. Lordship is fixing any date or so that I can submit it prior to the Lordship.
2-3 days. I'll need 2-3 days. Today is Wednesday, Tuesday, no?
Okay,
I'll need 2-3 days.
2-3 days.
Okay. Within that, you submit.
Lordship.
Para 5,
Para 5, is right. Page 5.
page 5.
Page 5, last 5 lines.
Page 5, no? Para 5 লিখি দিম নেকি?
Page 5.
No, এইখন. Page 5, no? Para 5 না লিখা, page 5 এ লিখেছে। Last 4 lines, no?
Last 6 lines, Lordship.
Okay.
After those sections, Lordship.
As a petitioner
Yes.
isn't, okay, I'll mark it.
Okay.
I'm marking it. Yes. Mm.
How long?
Yes, sir, CD was called for, Lordship.
Mm.
So we have not received a CD.
Mm.
And IO has requested to take some more time because due to the law and order situation nowadays, 15th August is coming.
Oh,
So
it's
they have been-
before 15 August or after 15
After
August?
15 August. Yes.
18, my lord, then.
18.
Yes.
Serious
18
call for is not received. We should reminder list the matter on 18 August. 18 August.
18 or
Okay.
19, because we're saying on 18 is the
18.
opening, we are 16, 17.
What has any?
16, 17 is holiday.
On 20 August. Usually.
19 করে দিন।
18 would be because 19 I have
18 আমার অন্য একো নাই মানে 10, 20 লোক আমার কি আপন আহিলে দিগদারি হবো আপনার
Yes.
19 to
19 August. Item 3.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Yes, there is a call for my lord. My lord, other co-accused are released on bail, my lord. And theft articles already recovered.
What you got?
Theft articles recovered from the possession.
You have the CD?
Driver.
CD we have not received also. Thanks, sorry, PS.
Where is the FI?
FIR is page 13, my lord. I am the agreement holder, owner of the vehicle, my lord.
You are the owner of the vehicle.
Owner, agreement holder, my lord.
Huh?
Oh, agreement holder, my lord, not the original registered owner, my lord. Registered owner is the Mofidul Islam, my lord.
We do not know whether it is recovered or not. Also, we're saying on 18 or 19 any day fixed also, or 20.
What is the case?
My lord, 600 notes were recovered from the possession and
600?
600 notes, my lord. IMFL my lord, 600 cartons of
No, no,
IMF
no. We need the
from the
CD.
position of the driver, my lord.
CDS call for is not received. We should vendor list the matter on 19th. 20 or 19.
My lord, as convenient by the lordship court, my lord. My
For
lord,
me, any day is convenient.
my lord,
You give me your date.
In the meantime, my lord, I may be.
No, no.
Interim, my lord.
Serious offense, no.
19 August.
19 August?
Item 4.
Yeah, praise the Lord.
Mm.
Lordship CD was filled for
Is it the
Hey,
city?
AC to 9.
and
Yes, I-
CD was filled for, then
Where is the FIR?
FIR at page 10, can you find? This is type copy.
Page 10.
Yes,
Please read.
with the due respect, I beg to inform you that on so-and-so date, about so-and-so, my daughter, namely Rekha Mondal, aged 20 years, went to visit her maternal uncle's house. On the same day at night about 11 p.m., she called me and said that the below mentioned accused persons have set her on fire, and also they did not provide a single drop of water to drink even after repeatedly entreated for the same. Immediately thereafter, knowing about the incident, I visited to the house of the accused persons and came to know that she had been taken to the GMCH for treatment. Then immediately I rushed to the GMCH, but since her condition was very critical, hence she has taken her last breath on 21st April 2025. After having the post-mortem, the body
Okay,
has
okay,
been
okay.
cremated.
What do you have?
So